60s Norge with the percolator. Here's what would have went around it, this little thing. It's kind of like a filter flow, but pretty much a gimmick. Doesn't work the greatest. Things are very notorious for cleaning the hell out of clothes. That water.
Ammonia.
Put a little ammonia in the water with some good old-fashioned detergent with phosphates in it. Let's see. Very sudsy.
Massively elevates the alkalinity.
Decent spin. Very quiet when it's spinning. Pump's running, it's very loud. I believe it has a spray rinse, but I'll have to see. Can't remember. Second time I've seen this machine operate. Went from big old pile of clothes. I took some clothes from home up here to Steve's. We used the Roller-Matic, the Multimatic, and we're going to use the Unimatic next, but right now we're using the Norge. I don't know, I thought this machine was pretty interesting when I saw it, so figured I'd use it. There it goes into a spray rinse. Interesting, it hits the agitator and kind of just jets it all over the place. That said, super rinse, kind of gets the camera dirty, but that's... it gets water everywhere. The joys of having an old washing machine. Better than any of the modern high efficiency junk they make nowadays. Just see the water. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can barely see it. You see the water going all over the clothes. It's got a pretty decent, nice spray rinse. And then it rinses. And then doesn't it spray rinse again when it's done? On the last final spin?
Yeah, it's got two spray rinses. First spin and second.
So it's got two spray rinses and then a full deep overflow rinse as well. This whole inner tub fills up to about right in here where my clothes are. These are some of my clothes. Brought them up here. Got the water washer hooked up next to the sink, so it's pretty interesting to see all this stuff coming out. Decent little spray rinse, and then we got another second rinse. How many people have seen or ever heard of a Norge? This is the first one I've ever seen operate. Not very many of them on YouTube, at least Norge-wise. Take my towel and clean. We're using the Whirl 69 Whirlpool dryer that Steve has here. It's a beautiful gas dryer, 25,000 BTUs. Did beautiful with these towels. These towels just seen better days, but they work. It's just tumbling away. We've got it set on between 2 and 3. It's a nice gas dryer. Here it is right here filling, and it's going to start draining out any minute now as it gets up towards the top of the tub. And it's just washing the hell out of those clothes. As clean as they've been. for the remainder of the rinse. Next 2 or so minutes, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know the exact amount, but tub's getting full of water. Gotta rinse them.